Hello, my fellow cubers. I hope all of you are doing fine. This is a brand new series that I am starting here on my channel. I'll cover weekly events and news that happens in the cubing world every week. And this is the first video of the year. And here are the events that took place till now. That is 6th January. So let's get started with the first news. So the first prominent event that took place this year was Felix Zemdex getting a 3.28 second shot on a live stream, which made people question their efficiency and look ahead. As a matter of fact, about the breakdown, Lazaro Monkey, as expected, released a very detailed one in just 15 hours time. The link to both Felix's YouTube video and Lazaro Monkey's YouTube video will be in the description. The second news is about Gan tweeting and posting on Instagram about a very young Chinese cuber named Rihong, who got a Chinese national record for 3x3 average of 6.21 seconds at just the age of 12 years. Gan also mentioned that his average is second best in Asia, only after Sean Patrick, and 8th in the whole world. To celebrate Rihong's record, Gan is also giving away a Gan 11M Pro on Twitter and Insta combined. To enter, please follow the links in the description. On topic of giveaways, the next story is about Max Park giving away $335 gift cards for the cubicle plus 2 Rubik's Impossibles on his YouTube channel. For further details, please follow the link in the description to his video on YouTube. The next story is about Luke Jarrett, a very talented cuber who just got, as he says, a YouTube unofficial world record, 3x3 real man's average of 5. A real man's average of 5 consists of starting the timer, then scrambling the cube and solving, and doing this for 5 times. He did it in mind-boggling 59.640 seconds, which is apparently the first on camera and uploaded on YouTube. The link for his Insta post and YouTube video will be in the description. The next story is about Wit Eden announcing the following cuboids in stickerless version, which will be a very pleasant addition for cuboids and non-WCA puzzle lover. Now the next story is about Chi, who announced the successor to one of the best beginners 2x2, the Chi GDS2. The GDS1 was known for its good performance, for its very cheap price, and perfect for your first 2x2. We hope the GDS2 just increases the standard. On Monday, Phil Yu, the CEO of the Cubicle, posted a video showing a new cube which he received from a new company called MS Cube. The cube is named MS3 version 1 or MS3 V1. He said that he knew nothing about the company, but that the person who started the company used to work for Gan as a designer. Later, in a Twitch live stream, Phil unboxed the cube and gave his first impressions. He also posted another video on Cubicle's Insta handle showing a solve on the MS3 V1. He also wrote that the cube feels like a combination between a Gan cube and a Volkilite. It has center edge magnets and is super interesting. In-depth video tomorrow. He stated that it is available for pre-order at the Cubicle's website. After checking, I found out that there are 2 versions. The standard one is priced at $29.99 and there is also an enhanced version priced at $34.99. As Phil promised, the very next day he uploaded an in-depth video at Cubicle's channel about the MS3 version 1 in both standard and enhanced versions. He unboxed both the cubes and explained about the ups and downs and how they differ. The main difference between the standard and the enhanced version is that the enhanced version also features center edge magnets, which makes it a total of 96 magnets in the cube, while the standard version only has 48 magnets, which are fitted between corners and edges like a normal cube. Later, Speedcube Shop also posted on Instagram that they also have received the MS3 version 1, and that it is available on that it is also available on their website for pre-orders in like 4 versions, uh, standard and enhanced only, but in black and white, like in black and primary internals. The cubing community all of a sudden is very much talking about the MS Cube brand and GAN Cube, because like the cube is very much similar to that of GAN cubes, and it features many similarities between a GAN cube. So people are like, the designer took advantage of GAN or is copying GAN, but everything was very well explained by a 20 minutes long video by Phil Yu on his channel, in which he talks all about the MS3 V1 and the MS3 company, and he explained that what are the relations between this company and GAN, and like what he speculates about what is going on between all the companies. So to this video, if you want a detailed explanation on this topic, please watch Phil's video. I'll link it in the description. He has made some very good points on this topic, so you can watch it. I cannot cover them all here, so please watch Phil's video. GAN announced another national record and Asian record, which was accomplished by a Cuban named Yasheng Zhu, who broke the cube national record for China and Asian record for the cube average of with the time of 2.32 seconds, and became world rank 5 for cube average using the GAN's Cube M. So congratulations for the record to GAN and Yasheng. Next, Qi announced new equipments for cubers for their Instagrams, in which they announced new types of training mats. They have just announced this on 6th January, and they have written to be released tomorrow. So apparently these mats will be released on 7th January. If there will be any further updates, I'll cover it in the next video. Next is a very interesting news, also the last news for today. Finally, the Monkey League Season 3 is announced by LaserMonkey, and the qualifier signups are available on LaserMonkey's site. He also put an Insta story where he put a link to his website. All the rules and conditions are written on the website, and the website will be linked in the description. It is stated that the first Open Arena qualifier will take place on 9th January 8 PM EST, and the second one will take place on 10th January 11 AM EST. So if you want any further details, please follow the link in the description to his website. These are all the updates which happened from 1st January to 6th January. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, and if you want any if you want me to continue making these update videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and suggest in comments that what you think will make these videos much better, and also your regular suggestions about how I can improve my video quality and all. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video, which will be, I think, next week, covering more 6 or 7 days of the year. So bye guys.